Hello everyone, Scott and Robin here.
Hey everybody.
It is time for our monthly SunCrest market update. Just wanted to do a little bit of quick housekeeping before we dive into this month's update. We wanted to remind everyone of our social channels. Head over to Facebook and Instagram and show us some love by following along. And if you're catching us on YouTube, please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes.
Absolutely.
All right, Robin, let's talk about the February numbers. We saw 5 homes listed in February, 1 home went under contract, and 4 homes sold. The median sold price in February was $845,000 and 32 days on the market. What do you make of these numbers?
Well, what stands out to me are 2 things. Number 1, the time that it took to sell a home in SunCrest is a little misleading, mostly because there were so few homes selling in February, but also one was a higher priced custom home that was on the market for an extended period of time.
Yeah, small sample size for sure.
Exactly. And that there were only 5 homes listed. That just points to the shortage of homes for buyers to choose from and the fact that it's a seller's market.
Right, I agree. Let's switch gears and talk about the interesting year that we're having in real estate.
I know we've both been getting asked about a few headlines that we're seeing and how they are affecting our real estate market.
Yeah, it's not uncommon for buyers and sellers to start asking about the spring market this time of year, but we've also been getting asked a lot about interest rates and the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Well, let's dig into these topics. So first, tell us about interest rates.
Yeah, over the first 8 weeks of 2022, we saw interest rates shoot up about 1%.
Yeah, quite a jump. Anything that you can pinpoint that to?
Well, it's always nice to have a culprit, and we can look at the Federal Reserve for that. The feds have been buying a lot of mortgage-backed securities, but at the end of 2021, they announced they were going to slow it down. In turn, people who sell bonds raised the rates of bond offerings, and that led to mortgage lenders raising their rates, which finally caused the rates offered to the public to go up.
Yeah, for sure. And how have you seen this impact buyers or sellers?
Right. We're seeing this have more of an impact on the townhome and more affordable priced homes. Many buyers in this sector of the market are really feeling like they're starting to get priced out.
Yeah, definitely feeling the pinch of those rates increasing. Let's talk a little bit about Russia. You know, historically, anytime we see a global disruption, we see investors turn to safer investments. Think people selling stocks and investing in safer bonds. Because of this, I think we may not see interest rates rise as much as we originally anticipated. But I do think the more immediate picture is that the rising costs of oil coupled with inflation are likely to have a bigger impact. I mean, we're all feeling this direct impact on our wallets right now.
I totally agree. It is hard to see gas approaching $5 a gallon.
Yeah, I mean, hopefully we see some relief soon. Let's chat about the spring market.
Absolutely. I love this time of year in SunCrest. It's so refreshing and beautiful. For real estate, it's as predictable as the snow melting and the flowers blooming. We see spring bring out more home sellers. In fact, the first half of March, there were more homes listed than in the previous 2 months combined.
Yeah, it was really nice to see some homes come online and across a few different price points as well, giving some variety to buyers.
Absolutely. And great news for home buyers. I anticipate the second quarter will be the most active listing period of the year as the snow melts and home sellers and buyers look to get kids in school settled for the next year. If you have any questions on this month's market update or what buying or selling may look like for you, reach out.
Yeah. Thanks everyone for tuning in, and we'll see you next month.
Buying or selling may look like.
Where'd we lose you? All right. Oh. Sorry. I wasn't laughing at you, but I could start to hear it.